किधर लेके जाएगा? कान में कापूस और नाक में कापूस डाल के 6x4 लगाने जाएगा और किधर कुछ नहीं। इतना कोविड इतना खतरनाक देश है, हजारों में लोग मरता है, सब और ये प्रीटेक्स्ट पकड़ के इधर खिलाफ करता है। शर्म आना चाहिए। पैसा किसका चाहिए? एक खेत वाला ना रोता है। देख yesterday they have plowed the fields, everybody should see, and they are putting debris.
Very true.
They have plowed the field. This minister, he is saying supporting agriculture. This guy, he is saying supporting agriculture. This is supporting agriculture. कितने बाटकारांची थिंगासर मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आणि कोविड टाइम करता तू. ही इज डूइंग ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम. आमच्या लॉकडाउन भितर असं म्हणटा आणि हे हो प्रोजेक्ट करता हिंगासर शेतान कितें आयती हा मादर शत.
Now they don't have the paper. We've checked today.
Show the legal document.
They don't have the paper.
गाड़ी लेके जाओ.
Not acquired. Not acquired. No possession taken. No payment made.
घर में है मेरे को लेके आओ. गाड़ी साइड में कर.
You do it. You are trespassing.
तकलीफ होगा.
But let us not take law into our hands.
You can see that from morning today everything has been down.
आम्ही सोमटिकाचे मुलीस आम्ही या मुंशात वाहुलेले मुलीसची सांगता तेका आता सांग आम्ही तेका शिकवलेले मुलीस त्यांना सोडवता तेका आम्ही उद्यापासून घेऊन येतो ते पूर्ण संस्थान जाता. दन तुका तुमका स्टेप करता आता मीटिंग करता बिगर सगळं ठीक आहे. तुम ट्रक ऐसा मात्र गो ट्रक लेके जाओ किधर अभी ट्रक डालने के लिए मैं सोएगा इधर. मैं इधर सोएगा और ये मैडम भी सोएगा. तुम्हारा
कौन पात्र है?
पात्र किधर है? क्या पात्र
डॉक्यूमेंट चेक तुम्हारे पास है? इंश्योरेंस में चेक पुलिस
पात्र ये पड़ा तुम्हारा पात्र पात्र उसको लेके आओ इधर.
किसको लेके आओ? चलो
उसको लेके आओ.
उसको लेके आओ. उसको बोलने दो हमको.
इतना सुंदर खेत हमारा खराब करता है. This is just first round. We will do it every day. This is just first round. बहुत सारे संग सरकार से जो हैंड होते हैं अरे तू एमएलए पे लोकांक सांगताय तू लोकांक हॅरस करता. This is harassment.
This is total harassment.
This is total harassment. Today you are doing this, then you are going.
अरे कोई मरते लोकांनी ते प्लाव केला मरे.
Only that place even bought 50 acres of land.
Show that place where they have plowed.
Everybody else is eating the same rice that we are growing here. We do not know from where the rice is coming, but we are eating. Tomorrow when you do not have to eat, what are you going to eat? Are you going to eat bricks? Are you going to eat cement? What are we going to do?
And Michelle also has her own farm in her area, and they have started doing the whole kind of plowing in their area. And she and her family are taking up farming. I think we all come forward. And she might school name right from school. So she also is encouraging her children to come down on the ground level and work in the field.
So what is the issue?
Okay, the thing is now last 1 week they have made an opening here and they are saying the land is acquired for some market complex and Panchayatgarh, sorry, for Panchayatgarh. Okay. This is rich fertile land and there are about 8 farmers. Poor farmers were there, hand to mouth. This is a low-lying area, okay, and we had always objected. We have taken the resolution 3 times. We have taken the resolution in the Gram Sabha that we will not do any land filling or we will not do any construction in the low-lying areas. But still, forcefully, the Panchim MLA, Talegaon MLA, they are doing the job and forcefully they are dumping the debris. Today we stopped it. We stopped it and the drama went almost for 1.5 hours. Now they brought police force and forcibly they have allowed the vehicles, those 2 vehicles, to go inside and dump it. Just imagine, these is a place, it has got a sanctity. Eka kide amta, eka खूप valor ha amche sobi. Itun amche purvas काम करून गेले आणि हे फकत पोट आमचे. हे पोटाचे ते हाडून डेब्रिज घाण हाडून वतयले तेणे आनी वयल्यान पुलीस फोर्स ताका प्रोटेक्ट कोत्ताय ट्रक डंप करपाक येता. आमकां आमी तांकडे सांगले आमकां लिगल डॉक्युमेंट तुजो दाखय. सगळो प्रोसेस जाला तो, एक्वायर जाला तो, पेमेंट दिला तो सगळे शेतकामत्यांक, सगळो डॉक्युमेंट दाखय आमकां. डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवपाक रेडी ना. फकत म्हणटा ऑर्डर आहा, ऑर्डर आहा. आमकडे ऑर्डर आहा, सगळे भितर आहा थिंगा ऑफिसान बोल्लेले. एकलो ऑर्डर घेवन कांयच येना. फकत फोर्सिबली तेणी आतां भितर डंप केल्या. हें आतां कितें गव्हर्मेंट एके सायडीन म्हणटा शेतकामाक सपोर्ट करता आमी, शेतकामाक फ्लारीश जावंक जाय आनी हें करता तें आतां इतल्यान म्हाजें माय फ्रेंड पुंडलीक रायकर इज द एडवोकेट, ही वील लायक टू सी.
Today something very unfortunate has taken place. We have seen some of the documents that the Panchayat is saying that they have created. There are, in my opinion, in many other lawyers also, those are not the documents based on which the Panchayat has now right over this piece of land. Okay. Now what we have told them is very clear. The tenants are suffering, the farmers are suffering. They have plowed the field for the oncoming monsoon season. But now if you go and see, as Devi has said, they have dumped all the debris. Now the MLA, Panjim MLA, he is the one who is controlling everything. He is using muscle power, he is using police power to do what he is not supposed to do. He is trying to तो कितें करता, लोकांच्या पोटाचेर येवन तो पंचायत घर बांदता. पंचायत घरान कितें करतलो अजून आमकां कांय खबर ना, पूण ताका पंचायत घर करपाक जाय. पंचायत घर करून कोणाक करतलो तें आमकां कांय खबर ना कितें, बट ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू द पंचायत घर. Now this is on record. This is on record. People have, everybody, it's an open secret. People know in Talegaon that what is happening in Talegaon, all the real estate is happening at the behest of the earlier Talegaon MLA and now Panjim MLA. He is the one who is doing this. Now, if you want to do, see, the law says what? Now the latest land acquisition law says what? That if you have to acquire land, and if you have to put it to use, first you have to put what is there within your kitty. There is something on top, already land acquired, there is enough land. You have not acquired this land. If you have acquired, we are saying repeatedly, show us the papers. Show us the papers, then we'll understand. What I have seen, now just now the deputy collector sent me some papers. He called me up and sent some papers to me. Just 2 pages. One is the plan and another first page of the some award. That's all. Those are not the papers. Possession of the land is not taken. Land acquisition compensation has been not paid. There were no proceedings before the land acquisition court or before the collector, LAO, land acquisition officer. There is no Roznama, there is no proceeding sheet. And what do you think they are doing? That means some document has been created. That is what we are given to understand now. Some document has been created, but that document is not a real document or document in the eyes of law. And based on the force of that document, they want to enter. They are entering the fields. Now, see, one thing is to be understood. There is no different law for the government, and there is no different law for an individual. If I have to show title to enter some property, then the government also has to show the document. Now, the landowners are saying that they have not received anything. No notices. I have asked them now whether under section 9 of the old act, whether any notices were sent. There is nothing. No notice under section 6, no notice under section 9, no notice under section 11, section 12, section 16. No proceedings are conducted. So how do we say that this land has been acquired? Now, the procedure culminates, as per the old act, the Land Acquisition Act, the procedure culminates in section 16. You have not even gone that far, and you are saying land has been acquired. And now you have the audacity, I suppose, some tinted cars. This also has to be noted, and the DGP has to take note of this. We were about to some tinted cars entered. Three vehicles with tinted cars. Nobody could see what is there inside, and nobody could be seen who is there inside. Entered. We believe that somebody, one of the politicians has entered. I would not like to name anybody. One of the politicians entered, they are not coming out. Now the DGP also has to take note. This is a misuse of Abhishek Goenka. The Supreme Court is very clear there, wherein it says what is permitted under the section 100, rule 100 of the motor vehicle rules is only to be permitted. You cannot put anything extra on the vehicle. But you will see in Talegaon, all the vehicles, so many vehicles belonging to one family are plying. Belonging to one family, today also they did the same thing.
So just tell me one thing, how much land has been acquired for this thing?
6,000, around, yes, it is their claim, it is not what we are saying. It is their claim, 6,100 odd square meters have been acquired, allegedly acquired.
And how many farmers' land it is?
Around, eight farmers. Eight farmers. And Aniyaka,
Okay.
this has to go to the CM actually of Goa. Because, see what happens is, CM is a responsibility. Chief Ministership is a responsibility. I know it's a collective responsibility, it's a collective leadership through the MLAs. But what is happening is that there is total misuse of powers by his MLAs. The Panjim MLA, Talegaon MLA has joined the ruling dispensation. But what are they doing is they're misusing the power to such an extent that today people are feeling suffocated. I'll tell you, yesterday, day before, or before that, the farmers, two farmers who came here to voice their angst, one of them received a threat. Okay, another lady farmer also received some threat. They are not coming here now. Is this the way you, Mr. CM, is going to run this state, where your MLAs are going to threaten, may not be directly, but through somebody else, are threatening the farmers? Is this what you are telling us? Is what you had promised for the people of Goa? I am talking about Talegaon, but we are part of Goa. So what is happening in Talegaon is Dadagiri. What is happening in Talegaon is Gundagiri. As I said, tinted glasses. Nobody can see who is coming and who is going.
Where are you?
I can give you numbers, hundreds of them.
What is it?
I can give you numbers. That has to be taken care of by the DGP.
So tell me one thing, the work has been stopped by the locals here?
Work, see, I'll tell you one thing. Insofar as I am concerned, let's say I am the farmer, the law provides that I have the right to use reasonable force, proportionate force to defend my life and my property. Which the farmers, some of the farmers, and on behalf of farmer, he is the Kumnidar, attorney of the Kumnidar, he also did. So he is the owner, nothing has come to him. He used that reasonable force. But the police were called, and on the force, on their force, see what happens, that's what I'm thinking. The state police, the state power, the police power, we individuals are nobody. Neither we have the intention of taking law in our own hands. But now today they have used the police to enter the paddy fields. They have allowed the truck to move. I'm saying at least, forget about all the others. At least the local MLA should have had the audacity of coming and speaking to the farmers. You are sitting there somewhere inside the panchayat and you are giving orders. You are the people's MLA. In some few days you will have to come out and explain. That is what I would like to tell the MLA. You will have to come and explain to the people why you are doing this. If you don't have an explanation, please vacate. Please vacate. Yes, please vacate. Please vacate. You have no right to be in that position because you, as a, even if I have not voted for you, he has not voted, you are everybody's MLA. You cannot do this. Even if these farmers have not voted for you, you cannot do this. I'm not saying they have not voted. But you are everybody's MLA. You have to take everybody together. What you are doing, you are, of course, we know your history. What you are capable of doing, what you are not capable of doing. But this is wrong. You are answerable to the people of Goa. You are answerable to the people of Talegaon. And people of Talegaon are coming very fast to you to ask for an answer. Another aspect. Now, I think changing, you have to get the pulse of the people. Things are changing in Goa. Things are changing in Talegaon. People want to be attached to the roots. People want to be attached to the roots. They want to cultivate now. They know that you cannot give them jobs. CM and job diu shakna. CM cannot give us jobs. CM cannot even give us. How people.
But did you speak with your MLA right now? What he assured anything?
MLA has not come to us. We in fact, yesterday while speaking, I said, let us have a discussion with the MLA. We are ready to discuss with the MLA. Not that we are running away. The MLA is running away from us. The MLA who is the minister also, believe me, she is a lady who is otherwise not capable of doing anything. Let me be very honest. I am not being personal. The Panjim MLA is doing everything. She is just a piece of a figure that is placed. She does not know anything. If she knows something, then I am requesting her one more thing. Since you have asked a question, let her come before us or give us an audience. We will come before you and explain to us that you have done things legally, lawfully, rightfully. You are right. Then we are folding our hands. We are raising our hands. We are not doing anything. But until then, it is a right. You, being part of the government machinery, cannot deny us right to access. See, 30 आमच्याकडे ना 30 दिसांनी म्हणले आमचे शेत काबार जातले. आम्ही we have asked under RTI under the provision which says that life and liberty, life, liberty and livelihood, that you have to give us within 48 hours. PDA कडे मागला फाल्या 48 hours काबार आता. DSLR कडे मागला आज 2 दिसांनी मेळपाक जाय आमकां. Let us see if they are giving us the documents. It's not that we don't want to. It is a blind case. We know what we are doing. If it is your case that you have acquired, and if you have acquired, show us the document. Have the audacity, have the guts to show us the documents. Why you are running and shying away from showing us the documents? And Jennifer, you are the MLA of this place. You are also now the minister of this of the state. You owe it to the people of the constituency, and you also owe to the people of the state. You know very well that what you are doing is wrong. What you are doing is illegal. I am talking about both husband and wife together, not individually. I don't mind coming and speaking to you directly. You give me an audience along with the other friends. Give us the audience. Explain to us that this is done properly. We will see then. But until then, you have at least the courtesy of stopping this, because this is irreparable loss that you are causing to the fields. एकदा माती घातली म्हणजे शेत पडते जावचे ना हांगा. लोकांचे पोट काबार करनाका. एक ते फार्मरान आमकां सांगला तिचे कडेन कांय जायना करपाक. शी कॅनॉट डू एनीथिंग. ती फक्त सांगता आपण तुका हाय घालतली म्हणून. शिराप सोडटा म्हणटा ती आपल्याक तेका. शिराप सोडटा. तिणें सांगला झेवियर. तिणें खुद सांगला आज सकाळी सांगला कितें आपण शिराप घालता म्हणून सोडटली म्हणून तिका. बिकॉज पीपल आर फिलिंग सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. That anger is simmering within the villages. And as I have said, this may be the political doom, this field may be the political doom for the MLA and the minister. You don't, माझ्या पोटार दवरून तुम्ही वयर सरनाका. लोकांच्या पोटार पाय दवरून वयर सरनाका. The worst thing for any public representative. Worst thing for any public representative. You do, no problem. Do it properly, legally. Give us a notice. We will answer to that notice. But if you have not done anything to us, your action is absolutely illegal and only illegal.
Trespasser will be prosecuted. The board is there. Who is the trespasser in this?
It is the panchayat which is the trespasser. It is the truck which came on behalf of that panchayat is the trespasser. Because see, who can be a trespasser? Trespass can be only against the owner. Cannot be against the third party. So where are the ownership documents? Where are they? Now if you see there, land acquisition order it says 2005. Date, who acquired, nothing.
When did that board have been put?
That board has been put today morning.
Today morning only.
Yes, they have changed. There is another order which they have taken on 22/5. That other board is there only here.
The old board and the new board.
Old board is here. Old board is dumped here.
Okay.
Some idea there.
So therefore,
in 2 days they remove that.
I'll tell you one thing. But the MLA should also understand one more thing. Even Xavier, if he goes and becomes an MLA tomorrow, or Cecil becomes an MLA tomorrow, anybody, you are nobody. You are today doing it. You all are doing it only on the force of that strength. You are only doing it on the force of that strength. Which is that strength? You are MLA. You are minister. You are using government machinery. The police. Only that. You should understand that every dog has his day.
Yeah.
Every dog has his day. Don't think that you have come here to live forever.
Thank you.
Your time is up. If you continue this way, your time is up. You have to measure your time. In the political life, I'm saying.
Thank you.
Mark.
Different scene after the 3 days of fighting about this land, because I feel ashamed being a voter and being residing in Talinga, because we have to fight for our land, guys. And today seeing that, you know, we have our own lawyer, we have the president, we have the secretary of the farming club who is voicing up. The farmers are coming forward, they are fighting up, and then the police come in to stop it. When we stopped the truck over here, the police came in over here to interfere. Why are the police coming? We didn't even hit anyone. Why are the police coming to stop us? In the end, it's the farmers' land. Today COVID-19 has just showed us that, you know, tomorrow we'll be hungry. Food is the most important thing, and Talegaon is known for its farming. What our present Sarpanch and MLA has done is they're eating up the land every freaking day, guys, every freaking day, when they are supposed to be promoting, you know, all this farming, getting the youth involved, getting the children involved. But this has been neglected because everyone's here to eat money. Everyone's here when you're in power to be somebody, to make money and to loot everyone. You know, these people will be cursed. Being a mother, and if anyone goes hungry, we will curse this present MLAs if they're going to be taking out these lands away. Curse them that their children will also suffer over here, because this is not right. You don't take people's land without even informing. You know, you have to give them a notice. They didn't even know. Even that lady, when the video went viral, the lady saying, please don't take our lands, please don't take our land. And you're putting a notice over here during COVID-19. I mean, you all can do whatever you all want. You all are in power. You all call up the cops. You all call up. Tomorrow, I'm telling Pundalik also, tomorrow if we have even one document that stands out, we will stand and we'll sleep over here and we'll make sure that no trucks go over here. And even people in Goa, if you all have a panchayat, what is the panchayat all about? Yeah, panchayat is the strong body of the people. Why do we need two panchayat ghar? We already have one panchayat ghar. 6,000 acres of land you need to build another panchayat. Sorry, square meters that you need another land. I mean, it's a shame. Why do we do that? Use that for children's facility. Use it to promote children, to cultivate land over here. Food is the most important thing. We don't need a roof over our heads to organize. Panchayat can be even under a tree if it has to happen. And you're taking people's land, bread and butter that people are every day fighting for, and you're just grabbing the land away. I mean, it's a shame. Today, debris is not even that fertile soil. It is wood. It is like all stone. Building debris. I mean, that person who even takes the contract is getting from someone's side, is getting paid, and to dump also is getting paid. Where that money is going? Who's eating that money? Every day we are fighting at Gram Sabhas, we are fighting. So the people of Goa, this is for us. If we need to protect, we need to come. All the educated people need to come and start fighting. We need advocates like Pundalik, who's fighting, who has kept, I'm not going to take any cases, he said, who's going to fight for the people. We need all the panchayats to start being very active right now, with local body being strong. People have to come out and fight. What is wrong is wrong. And even if anyone has eaten something from this MLA, say what is wrong, and you will fight for it. This is nonsense what's happening here. And being a person from Talegaon, it's been 10 years I'm residing in Talegaon. I will fight for Talegaon. I will fight for Goa, wherever it is. The panchayats all over Goa, people of Goa, fight for your land, because it's now or never. This is your generations and generations, because this is what our generations, our ancestors have kept for us. We don't have any right to sell, or the MLAs or ministers or sarpanches don't have any right to touch this land. They'll be cursed from our ancestors and from the downline itself if we don't have our lands in place. So people of Goa, please stand up, voice up and fight.
How many farmers are cultivating over here? 8 farmers.
Right now in this land, around 8 farmers are there who are cultivating. But there are senior citizens, because they don't have support, they don't have people to do it, it's just left idle. That who comes in the picture? It's a sarpanch. It's the people that need to promote agriculture. We should get the youth to collaborate with seniors who've got lands to cultivate. That's why we were just talking with the secretary over here, saying that we should organize workshops how to drive a tractor. We should organize workshops on how to do plowing of fields. We should do workshops in getting children to get down into it. Everything is not on books. Practical learning and survival skills is very important in today's life. And this is what we need to show our children, that how practically we can survive by ourselves. We don't need other states to provide for us. We have our lands, but we have become greedy. We become greedy for money, and we are selling our lands left, right and center, which is a shame right now. Shame to all the Goans who have not been fighting till date. You have to fight for your right, you have to fight for your motherland, you have to fight. If you're a true Goankar, you will fight for what is right.
Which project is coming over here?
Right now, Panchayat Ghar. Panchayat Ghar, and we already have a Panchayat Ghar in the community center. I don't know why we need another one. That was 6,165 square meters of land that has been taken.
Plan 2028. 2028, ODP of Talegaon 2028. Now that ODP is challenged before the Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court has said, Komunidad has challenged it. They have said that all development activities or all developments that are taking place on the force of that plan will be subject to its order, final order. Okay. Now in the interim, then they are not supposed to do it. They know very well they were a party. Panchayat is a party. Panchayat is a party. They know very well that they will not be able to do, so they are doing this. More importantly, one few things which people of Goa also should know. This is very important. Now, if you go to see, Panchayat is a constitutional body under the 73rd Amendment of the Constitution. municipality is a panchayat body, constitutional body under the 74th Amendment of the Constitution. Now, the powers of the panchayat also include planning its own development. But the panchayat is not doing its job of planning for itself, and it has been taken over by an agency called PDA. PDA as on today has no right to plan for neither panchayat nor municipality. The PDAs can only give what you call that expertise to the panchayat or expertise to the municipality. Now, since this is challenged, okay, my only contention is that panchayat, being a public body, should not have gone ahead and done this. That's another aspect that we need to understand. There is whole lot of case law, there is whole lot of judgment which says that panchayat is a whole and soul, PDA is nobody. And that plan, I'm pretty sure the High Court will take a right decision on the plan when it comes for hearing. Unfortunately for us, because of this COVID, it's getting delayed. Otherwise, it was supposed to come. April was the date, and I think next June was the final hearing. So that's unfortunate for us, and the MLAs are taking advantage of that. Otherwise, by now probably things would have been decided. That plan is an unconstitutional, ultra statutory, and it is not a legal plan. That's another aspect which everybody should know. And if I'm saying this again,